the MazdaSpeed 3 gets yet more functional aero. Now, if I was to ask you, where would you get the best, most genuine automotive parts from, you'd probably say go on fucking Facebook Marketplace and search up universal parts.
Nope.
That's exactly what I did. That's why last video we had the Facebook Marketplace universal splitter, and in today's video we got the Facebook Marketplace universal side skirts. She looks fat as fuck though, let's be honest.
Okay.
Let's get the automobile and move it here so we can install it. Here is the universal side skirts, and as you can tell, they are multi-piece, just like, you know, 3-piece wheels. We've got 3-piece side skirts here.
Bruh.
These are proven to give about 350 centimeters of downforce at 250 miles an hour. So step one obviously is to jack up your car. Goddamn Pookie Ghost, man, shut up! Okay, so the first thing, my one has this little like flappy thing, and it's got plastic rivets on it, and whoever thought that rivets are good is bloody stupid. Like what, mate? Oh, I want it faster, but I want to not be able to take it off. The fuck? Really? Okay, we just gotta drill it out. And yes, I know it will have some engineering advantage. Ooh, you get 0.05% better fuel economy.
Bruh.
What are we using to put the side skirts on? Obviously a nut and bolt would work best, but apparently if you ever even try to take the side skirt off, it just breaks. So we just gotta use self-tappers. That's what everyone does with these side skirts, and they never fall off, unlike the splitters, so we can trust it. Anyways, I've marked 1, 2, hopefully. Gotta do another 2 sort of around this area, and then a couple more in this straight line here. Okay, that looks pretty straight, that's good. See, the more you stick it out this way, that's obviously more mana, which is good, but that means the more you stick it out, then it's more in the way, so you're more likely to have some absolute bumper clot come and stand on it and break it. And also, the further out you go, if it sticks past your wheels, it's gotta make your fitment look shit. Oh, you guys fell over. Hi. Obviously, since it's a universal 3-piece splitter, this last bit, and that's, I'm not an engineer, but I'm pretty sure that won't, you know, like, work.
Well, no fucking shit.
So I gotta cut it. You can honestly just use a hacksaw. I could literally only find my blades for a saw. I couldn't find the handles, so I'll probably just use those. If that doesn't work, I'll just use a full-size wood saw on it. Like. What is this? I'm cutting my universal Facebook Marketplace side skirts with a broken hacksaw blade. So I've basically got it all on now. It looks pretty good. I'll show you all the self-tappers I did so you can get an idea. actually does feel pretty sturdy, like. I'm not sure if I'll do it this video, but so I took the eyelids off. Yeah, I do kind of like the look without them, but the eyelids just look so much better, don't they? I actually plastic dipped some of the eyelids red so we can see what paint match roughly would look like. Yeah. So I think now it's time to lower this side of the car down to the ground and jack up the other side. On the ground, that looks so good. Damn. I'll roll the car forward so you have a look at it from the back. You guys were wondering about the eyelids. When I took one of them off, I actually snapped it. So I put JB Weld on it, and look at that. That is never going to break ever again. That is stronger than when it left the factory in China after a 12-year-old mate. I thought
I don't know.
I think the black looks better. This looks good though. It's another day. Let's go get those fucking eyelids sorted. Yes, paint matched. And the black. And the thing is, like, this is quite grey at the moment. I've got a plastic dip. This is the same black as that, so actually even better than that.